giving you a better look of it all. Hey y'all, so since I'm about to get ready, I wanted to do my makeup on camera and also get dressed on camera. So come along with me. Yeah, I've been trying to figure out what's a good big wearing space and how I'm just doing soon. It is what it is because my table is in here and this is where I normally do my makeup, but I feel like it's a little too crowded. So, on camera. So, let's get into these brows. They need to be waxed. I mean, yeah. But yeah, last time I got my eyebrows waxed, oh my gosh, trying to record it, it was horrible. The lady really messed me up. She made them oval, and like, I just feel like if she would have went into any more to fix it, they would have been just too thin, and I just would have hated them, and I would have hated them on the wax like that. So that's why I let them get this thick, because the shape that they were was just so freaking ugly. I just was like, but that's what I get. Like, y'all, moving to a new place or whatever, and trying to figure out like where you want to go get your nails done, and where you're gonna get your eyebrows done. Like, this is hard. Like, you pretty much are just trying out a lot of shit that people say is good until you think it's good. So I'm still looking for a place to get my eyebrows done in Mobile. Cause baby, they failed me. But I think, you know, when I go back home, it's just Birmingham, I'm gonna get my get it done when I get home. So the key to brows really is just making it look as natural as you possibly can in the freaking front before you even put the concealer on, in my opinion. I liked it that Too Faced foundation, but it was too dark for me, and I just felt like I wasted my money. But thank God I was able to give it to my friend, and she liked it. Because baby, that made me feel bad because I hate to waste money. Makeup, and I tend to do that a lot. Like, one time, I literally grabbed the same thing twice and paid for it. I didn't notice until I got home. And you know what? I took this right back because it was a good $30. And I like this flat brush better than that end brush. stress. See how they pop so good already just from me using my foundation. Well, not my foundation. The concealer that matches my face. All I have to blend. One because the one I wanted, they were out, but then I got this one, and it was light. And yeah, the worst way of matching your skin is they was like, put it out to your skin. And I was just like, how is that helpful? But then the lady was like, well, it often out is your skin, so get a little back. So I was like, it was right out. You know, I can bring back. Super light, it matches perfectly. You're gonna be long. A natural highlight. So beautiful. Okay. Whatever, I like it like that anyway. They're cute, they're really cute. They're really cute, but I'm not gonna go for more. Okay, you guys, this is the finished. Don't y'all like it? It's like the Fenty. It just soaks into your skin. And y'all, this is always natural. It's just natural. I'm feeling it. It's so good. Shorts and a tee. Baby, we're gonna put on some clothes. I don't think we're going anywhere. But hey, I'm gonna put on some clothes anyway. Lounge in the house. Get ready with me. So, see the mirror. Fine. And thanks for watching.